It was another day at the Harwick branch line, and Daisy was having a rest. Then Skiff rolled up. "Have you heard the news? This new railcar Hugo's going to take some passengers to Knapford today." "You're just trying to make fun of me." "Au revoir," she said, and she hurried off down the line. Meanwhile, Hugo was speeding away. "Take that, Franz! Think I'm not useful now?" he said. Then Hugo saw Daisy up ahead. "Oh no! I'm going to crash into that thing!" "My nose." "Oh, it's you! I've heard all about you!" Daisy had an idea. Next morning, Ryan pulled up with a milk tanker. Daisy, I think you're supposed to pull this milk tanker today." "Oh, no. Hugo's supposed to pull that milk tanker today." Okay, said Ryan, and he hurried to Hugo. "Here you go, Hugo," said Ryan, and he biffed it into him. Ryan, I don't think you understand. I don't actually have a back coupling." "Oh," said Ryan, "I'll just give it back to Daisy." As Daisy rolled through the countryside, to her horror, she saw Hugo up ahead. "Oh, it's him! How I hate that silly little Oh! To her surprise, the milk tank had biffed Daisy off the rails, just missed George, and landed in a field. "Hugo, help me, please!" But Hugo was already whizzing away. Soon, Harvey passed by. Daisy and Harvey were good friends, so he knew what to do. "Don't worry, Daisy. I'll use a rope to pull you out of that field." Soon, everything was ready. Harvey pulled. The rope wiggled. His crane arm shook until his crane arm broke. "Oh dear, my crane arm is broken, and Judy, Jerome and Rocky are all busy. I'm sorry, but it probably won't be a while until you're going to get out of there." And Harvey steamed away with the rope. Then Hugo arrived. "Don't worry, Daisy, I've got an idea." Daisy felt awfully embarrassed. Okay." There was now a rope attached to Hugo's propeller, and it was being stuck onto Daisy. "Now!" After a lot of hard work, Daisy was finally back on the rails. That evening, Hugo saw Daisy at Tidmouth, so he rolled up to her. "I hope to see you again soon," said Hugo. "Don't worry," said Daisy. "When you see the flowers, you know I'm there." And the two just laughed.